tiny dark spot beside your toenail? Is it always dirt? Not necessarily. Sometimes it can be natural buildup from dead skin, trapped debris, and everyday pressure inside your shoes. The corners of toenails often collect more buildup due to friction and limited airflow. So gentle cleaning and regular foot care are important. Have you ever noticed this too? Follow for more simple foot health facts. Happy watching and enjoy!